Today, through our annual day skit, our students will help us in understanding all the intellectual personalities who have been able to find their niches in their everyday lives by adapting and making their lives livable, either through teaching others or by inventing new and applicable ways to convert their environment for better living. The story is set in a school where the focus is on learning English language by students who have come from all parts of the world. Mr. Das is the English teacher who holds a degree from Oxford University. He has taken up the responsibility to make the students comprehend that English is the window to the world. Mr. Das has taken up the challenge and he plans to make the English class and his teaching very interesting and innovative.
Good morning, students. You are all here from different parts of the world to learn English, the global language. Last week, I had given you all a task to research and understand how different people across the world have contributed to the cultural changes in the world. Do you think understanding culture is important? Do you feel that we need to share and explore the culture?
Understanding culture will definitely help us in connecting with people all over the world because the beauty of the world lies in the diversity of the people.
Yes, cultural understanding will develop awareness and transform the way we work. Let us all be the leaders who will take the ownership and responsibility of culture.
It will help in bringing people and society together. We should never compromise with our culture because we are the cultural ambassadors.
It helps in strengthening long-term relationships through better understanding.
This task will help us in understanding the cultural diversity that exists in the world because we derive great results from our culture.
Okay, class. So, are you ready with your presentations? Let me see how much creativity you have put into your assignment.
Sir, we are absolutely ready to rock and bring alive the various famous personalities who have added color to the diverse culture of this beautiful planet Earth. Let us create an atmosphere of achievement, contentment, and peace through our presentation.
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women are merely players. They have their exits and entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. Yes, this is my dialogue, which has been famous for centuries now. I am William Shakespeare. I was often called England's national poet and a bard of Avon. Perhaps I would describe myself as an actor, for writing was a part of who I was. But I played my part of putting it into page and writing myself into history. My plays are famous even today and are constantly studied, performed, and reinterpreted in diverse cultural and political contexts throughout the world. I combined poetic genius with a practical sense of theatre. I reshaped each plot to create several centers of interest and to show as many sides of narrative to the audience as possible.
I know this dialogue. ये दुनिया एक रंगमंच है और हम सब इस रंगमंच की कठपुतलियाँ.
That's good. You know, Shakespeare is a pioneer in the field of literature, and he gave us a variety of genres. There was tragedy, love, drama, and humor. Shakespeare's dramas affected the Elizabethan society in a positive manner. He designed his plays in such a manner that it not only affected the elite but also the groundlings. His dramatizations unified the varied classes of society. It helped in reducing class difference and promoted equality.
Let's see all your hands up, everyone. Come on.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore can love. It's all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. You know that love was made for me and you. When marimba rhythms start to play,
Let's see all your hands up, everyone. Come on.
make me sway like a lazy ocean hugs the shore. Hold me close, sway me more like a flower bending in the breeze. Bend with me, sway with ease. When you dance, you have to stay with me. Stay with me, sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway like a weed, I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Like a flower bending in the breeze, baby, sway with me. When we dance, you have